Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, welcome, Mr. Shakir. Can you please tell us you are going for
Yes, sir.
a GBO 3, na? Scale 3 GBO, correct?
Yes, sir. GPAY 3, scale 3. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In RRBs.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Please tell me about yourself. Yeah.
Good evening, sir. My name is A. Mohammed Shakir. I have completed my graduation in BTech Electronics and Communication Engineering from Lowly Professional University in 2015. After that, I have joined Canara Bank as a probationary officer, and I have completed 6 years of work in Canara Bank. Meanwhile, I completed my CIB and Certified Credit Professional course.
So you passed a certified credit professional course also.
Yes, yes, sir.
Very
Yes.
good. I'm extremely happy about that. Good. Then can you please tell us about your strengths?
Sir, my strength is I am very keen learner, sir. In previous work also what my seniors also said was I'm very keen with circulars. What are the point mentioned in circulars? So I I read very in the between the lines. So that is one of my strengths, sir. My second strength is I am persistent, sir. So with customers, while dealing with customers relating to credit, as I'm working in retail lending, sometimes customers are not willing to approach us, or sometimes customer may not perfectly fit into your product, but I persist with them. So at the end of the day, many of the proposals which initially we thought were not fit, but finally they converted. These are two my strengths.
Yeah. I think the other day also I asked you question about
Yes, sir.
why were you not promoted? So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm not willing to repeat that question again. Please
Okay, sir.
manage that one. And
Okay,
how
sir.
do you consider yourself suitable for scale 3?
Yes, sir. So, sir, as I already said, I have 6+ years of work in a public sector bank across various disciplines. Like I have worked in CASA, and I also worked in recovery. I have worked in retail lending. I have worked in MSME credit. Apart from that, coming to theoretical knowledge, I am having 10 certificates from IIBs, including JIB, CIB, Certified Credit Professional, across various disciplines like KYC, MSME, Forex. So theoretically, I am very strong, sir. And practically also, as I am having 6 years of work ex, I have seen many instances. And also, I have acted as a branch manager for 1 month during deputation.
But
One of
don't tell this.
our manager was,
Don't tell this. 1 month is not a very short period.
yes, sir, very short period.
1 month
Okay,
is a very it's nothing.
yes,
And
sir, it's one.
if at all you have achieved something very great during that 1 month, you can tell us. If you have
No, no,
recovered
no.
some 10 crore advance, if you have made some 10 crore advance, then you can mention about it. Otherwise, what is the fun of your telling about it?
No, sir. Waste, waste.
Yeah, please don't
Okay,
tell
sir.
that.
So,
Yeah.
okay, sir. So the
Now you
theoretical part already I have explained, sir.
theoretically you are very good. I am happy about that.
Practice,
So what is
sir,
your
practice,
what is your native state?
sir, Andhra.
Andhra. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Mm, Andhra Pradesh.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell us about the MSME minister in charge of MSME in central government, or you are now in which state now? You are in Andhra?
Same, sir, in Andhra only.
Andhra. So then tell about Andhra also. Who is the minister in charge of MSME development in Andhra and also at the central government level?
Sorry, sir, I am unable to recall.
Very good. Doesn't matter.
So,
Now, what do you know about CGTMSE?
the CGTMSC is the Credit Guarantee Fund from central government. It is applicable for loans only about, it is applicable for loans from 1 lakh to 2 crores, sir. So whenever the customer is unable to provide collateral, so we can, CGTMS is like an insurance. Customer will pay part of amount every year. So when customer defaults, bank will have CGTMSC, so bank can claim the money back. This is a short form of CGTMS. So now CGFME also another government has created fund for only Mudra Yojana loans up to 10 lakhs.
Mhm. Please comment on domestic economy.
Yes, sir. Sir, our domestic economy is very robust, sir, because as we can see, the interest rates in USA, it is all-time high. But comparatively, in our country, inflation is, I don't say it is very high, but it is in manageable levels. RBI has not increased repo rate the past 3-4 months. Compared to other scenario, our domestic economy is under control. That's
What is the recent RBI directives regarding gold loan for UCBs? What is UCB? Urban Cooperative
sir.
Banks.
Okay, sir. Sorry,
What
sir.
is
I
the
am unable.
gold loan? What is the bullet repayment scheme?
Bullet repayment scheme is actually for any loan, if we take, we will pay monthly installments. So bullet repayment is a reverse. We will pay for, if you take loan for 1 year, we will pay principal plus interest at one time, and we will close the loan. So generally, gold loans are taken like bullet payments, and also FD loans and FD also they will be taken like bullet payments.
Here it is given that UCBs are permitted to go up to 4 lakhs instead of 2 lakhs. Earlier, it
Yes.
seems the limit was 2 lakhs. Now it has
Oh,
been revised to 4 lakhs.
okay, sir.
What is the expansion of PIDF?
Sir, PIBF.
P for
PIBF.
P for Patna, I for India, D for Delhi, F for France.
Okay, PIDF.
Why did you not go through this CTDI? Have I not given you this CTDI magazine? Have I given you or
Yes,
not?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are doing, sir.
At least the last month, October month, you should read. Here it is
Okay,
coming.
sir.
It is coming here only.
Sir.
PIDF is an extension scheme and inclusion of PM Vishwakarma Scheme beneficiaries. Something
Okay,
like
sir.
that.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then what is PM Swanidhi scheme? What do you know about it?
Sir, PM Swanidhi scheme was launched by our Prime Minister during COVID 2020 for helping street vendors, because at that time there was no working capital for street vendors, and they were not in a position to get finance from banks. So what the PM Swanidhi scheme is, any street vendor who will have license from municipality, they will get license. He can avail up to 10,000 loan from bank. He just has to apply through municipality. They will send the loan application to bank, and he can get finance up to 10,000. After finishing that first tranche, second tranche, he can again apply for 20,000 loan. After finishing that 20,000, for third tranche, he can apply for 50,000 loan. Here, beneficiaries are
Correct.
getting very good.
Very good. Correct. That's correct.
Yes.
Tell me about PM Vishwakarma scheme.
Sir, PM Vishwakarma scheme recently launched by our central government, sir. It is also related to MSME, but in depth I have not gone through. But I know that scheme is related to MSMEs.
Here they
And
have given. PM
yes, sir.
Vishwakarma scheme is a central sector scheme launched by Ministry of MSME on 17 September to provide holistic and end-to-end support to artisans. The scheme will initially be implemented for 5 years up to 2027-28. PM Vishkarma will be implemented at central sector scheme fully funded by Government of India with an initial outlay of 13,000 crore. Here, implementation agency, Ministry of Micro MSME, Ministry of Skill Development, then Department of Financial Services, trades covered. Total traditionally 18 trades are initially covered. They are carpenter, armorer, blacksmith, locksmith, hammer, etc. The components of the scheme, key components are recognition, so and so skill upgradation, toolkit incentive, eligibility an artisan. Then amount wise, it is you please read it fully. First
Okay, sir.
tranche
I will go through.
first tranche rupees 1 lakh, second tranche rupees 2 lakh, margin nil. Security graded guarantee by CGTM. First loss default 0 to 7.5%, 100% coverage. Second loss more than 7.5 and up to 20%, 80% coverage, something like that. So please go through
Yes,
this
sir.
scheme. They
Okay,
may
sir.
ask, they may ask about this. They may ask about this CGT MSE also.
Oh, okay, sir.
Pura pad lijiye.
Okay, sir.
You might have read for exam, but you might have forgotten.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is,
And
that
this
is,
is
yes, sir.
this is latest one that has been introduced.
Yes, sir. Latest scheme, sir. Yeah, I came to know this
Yeah,
through one circular, but I have not known.
yeah. Okay, that's right. Now, what about rupees 2,000 denomination note, bank note, or what is the
Yes, sir.
current position?
Sir, rupees 2000 note has been withdrawn from circulation, sir. So as on 30th September 2023, it was out of circulation, but it is still legal tender for only through RBI and through special we can exchange, but it is out of circulation.
No, you have to say that the 2,000 rupees can be exchanged up to rupees 20,000 per day at the
Yes, sir.
RBI counter.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It was
Okay.
available till October 7 or 10.
Yes.
It was, that's right. You must know it correctly because you are in the
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. In the banking working.
you are in the desk. You must know it.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yeah.
can you talk to me about Surfacy
Hello.
Act? Can you talk to me about Surfacy Act?
Sir,
How this
sir.
act has been made use? Yes, please.
Yes, sir. Surfacy Act is actually was passed in 2002. So before Surfacy Act, bankers, whenever customer defaults, bankers need to go to court when the house or property, whatever is mortgaged to bank, they need to go to court and they have to take permission, suit file. After that suit file proceedings only, they were able to auction. But through Surfacy Act, bankers were given power that we can, whenever customer defaults, we will send notice, appropriate notice to customer. Then banker can directly auction after taking possession through DM. So there is no role of courts. There is the role of the DRTs only, but courts are not involved. So through Surfacy Act, time has been for bankers to auction time has drastically reduced. So bankers have given some powers.
Good.
Through Surfacy.
So we are able to recover the money early. That is correct.
Early, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, did we discuss the other day about LoAdalat?
No, sir.
I have not asked you. Acha.
No, sir.
Please tell me what is local. First of all, honestly speaking,
Sir.
my doubt is
Sir.
what is LoAdalat? What way banks are connected with LoAdalat? In what way they are beneficial for LoAdalat? Do you have any practical experience?
Yes, sir. Practical experience and answer.
Are you
Yes,
having
sir.
practical experience in dealing with LoAdalat?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Please tell me about it. You are from
Sir,
Andhra Pradesh. Yeah.
yes, sir, yes. Sir, LoAdalat is actually very beneficial to bank because is the concept by government, because oftentimes suit filing process is very lengthy process. So filing suit, so all this process takes so much time. So what the LoAdalat concept is, the court will send notices on behalf of banks to all the cases where suit has been filed by the bank. So court will send notices to all the borrowers where suit has been filed by the bank, and we also will send notice to the borrower. So whoever borrower wants to come, so judge will act not as a normal judge, but he will solve the dispute as a dispute manager between bank and the borrower. So I have seen practically some judges are very proactive. They will even use their force to tell customer, you have taken money, your economic position also I know, so please pay this much. So some cases they will stand on behalf of bankers and they will settle. In some cases also they will also tell that see borrower position, you have to adjust. So in that way judge will act as a in some type of mediator and they will settle loan then and there. So whatever the court charges, court fees pay, paid by the borrower, it will be returned. So in a way, it is very
No.
very sir,
Whatever the court fees paid by the bank, na?
bank sir, bank only will pay sir, but it will be debited from customer account only, no, sir.
Yeah. Correct.
So
Yeah.
so so that fees also customer is benefiting two ways. Once, even though liberal OTS sanctions are there, some managers are not willing to implement that liberal OTS. So in that way, through LoAdalat, they will get benefit by
No.
liberal OTS. Bank also is getting benefit by having getting time, TAD time is drastically reduced, and then their OTS also will be happen, sir.
I have some information about this now. Thank you. But you said the court will be sending notices to the
Yes, sir.
bank
Yes,
as well as
yes.
the borrowers. Is it
No,
in
sir. Bank they won't send, sir. They will inform bank through mail or something, but they will send a notice to borrower who wherever suits
what is
has
the
been
no-
filed by bank
what is the
through.
norms? What is the norms they follow for sending notice? Is it cases filed before 1 year, or is it cases above 1 lakh? And which courts do this? Is it high courts or district courts?
No, sir. No,
Yeah,
normal
tell-
district courts only, sir. High courts, I don't know. Practically, I have seen district courts they will do, but regarding norms, I don't know, sir. Practically speaking. I don't know, but I have seen amount below less than 1 lakh also. They have sent notices because even though loan amount is 50,000 also, so if it was taken before 20 years, it might have reached 10,
yeah.
20 lakhs. Sir. So
So good,
we keep on adding.
excellent. Surfacy Act is not applicable in respect of which cases?
Sir, Surfacy Act is not applicable wherever the loan amount is below 1 lakh and loan amount is below 20% of the sanctioned loan. If I got a 10 lakhs loan, now the liability, present liability is 2 lakhs, then below 2 lakhs, then it is not a surface is not eligible, sir.
Good. It's a good point. You told that nicely. Very good. Yeah. Now, can you, that is Surfacy Act, then what is DRT doing? On the one hand, we
Sir,
have High Court. On the other hand, we have Supreme Court. On the other hand, we have DRT. Arey Baba, what is this? Why we are wasting money like
sir,
this?
sir, actually the primary purpose of farming DRTs is, so the main objective of Surface is not to go through legal hassle. So already bankers are facing so much legal hassle. If they again go to court, it will take time. So Surface is formed. So to have some resolution to the borrower, they form DRTs. These are special courts only for Surface cases. Whenever Surface suit, we will give possession notice. Borrower is not happy, then he can file his case in DRT. Then DRT will look into the case. If the lender's claim is not correct, then whatever the DRT will give the judgment. If the judgment is not, customer is again not happy with the judgment, again he can file in DRAT.
Correct. Good.
For that,
Now,
but for that he can,
did you come go through the material I have given in our Telegram page? Did you see that?
yes sir, I see.
I have posted a debt recovery, letter of credit, Surfacy, working capital,
Yes, sir.
and all that.
Yes,
I think I have not
yes, sir.
posted a ratio analysis. 1 minute. I will post that also 1 minute now.
Okay, sir.
Tell me something about ratio analysis.
Sir, which ratio, sir? Sir, we are having
Anything,
many ratios.
anything. No, you whatever ratio that comes to your mind, you please speak.
Sir, DSCR ratio is debt service coverage ratio.
Please
It
tell
is
me about
actually
that. Yeah.
it's actually says that what is the position of customer to pay loan, whether he is able to service, whether he is able to service payments or not. It is the formula is calculated using the formula earnings before EBITDA, earning before interest and tax, divided by annual obligation by the customer. So by seeing this, we can say that whether preferably it is 2.
Well, can you tell me some solvency ratios?
Yes, sir. Solvency ratios I have read, sir, but right now I am unable to recall.
Here it is telling solvency ratio means
Sir, whether customer
short-term solvency ratio
short-term,
or liquidity
yes,
ratio, that is current
sure.
assets by current liabilities.
Current,
Current
yes, sir.
ratio.
It is current ratio.
Then
And quick acid
liquidity,
ratio,
acid
quick
ratio,
acid ratio, yes, sir.
acid test
Acid test
ratio,
ratio, yes, sir.
liquid
Yes, sir,
assets divided by current
divided by
liability.
current, yes, sir.
So you should read this. Or once again,
Yes,
you.
sir. Once if I go through, I will.
Yeah, very good. You are answering very well. Now, can you throw some light on how to calculate working capital requirement of units?
Yes, sir. So, sir, working capital unit for any unit is calculated by using the cycle. Let's say if a company is having 1 crore turnover per annum and it is having 4 cycles. So, per cycle, the revenue is 25 lakhs. In the 25 lakhs, we have to remove the margin, which is 25%. Remaining whatever the amount, we can finance to the customers.
Correct. Are you aware of Kannan committee recommendation?
Tandon committee, sir.
Kannan
committee.
Nayak committee,
Kannan.
Kannan committee, like that. So
Yes,
many
sir, yes,
things
sir.
are. It doesn't matter. You please go through
Yes,
that.
sir. Okay, sir.
But see, they won't ask very tough questions and all. They would ask simple questions. For
Yes,
you,
sir.
main problem is why are you coming from
Yes,
big bank
PSB
to
to
small, big bank to
yes, sir.
smallest bank? Huh? Today also it happened. One boy tried from LIC. He was
Sir.
is working as LIC as development officer, and
Okay.
he wants to switch over to scale 2 in our RRB. So they repeatedly questioned him like this: why are you coming from such a big organization? Then he said, sir, job security is not there, something like that. But you
Yes,
don't
sir.
have even that you don't have even that reason. Your job is much
Yes,
more
sir.
secure than anybody else.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
now
sir.
and now they are going to revise the salary by 16%.
Yes, sir.
And same thing will happen in RRB also. But
RRB
still,
also.
yeah.
Yes. Sir,
So,
primary reason what
but
I will
no,
tell
no,
is,
but some other reason you said. The reason is you want to stay
sir.
within Andhra, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's the primary reason.
I know
So, sir,
some other reason
actually,
you told. Yeah.
yes, sir. 2 reasons. Primary reason is if I write, if I go for promotion, now I will become scale 2. I will become scale 3 only after 3 years, 4 years precisely. So if now through this RRB scale 3, I can become scale 3 next year itself. It is saving 3 years of my career. First reason. Second reason, as I already said, my wife works for state government. So
That's correct. That is
it's
correct.
very, yes,
That is the reason. I could understand that. Very good. So best wishes. Much depends on your luck, how the group is going to, how the interview group is going to treat you,
yes, sir.
take
Yes, sir.
you as a favorably or unfavorably. Tomorrow, by the time tomorrow interview completes, you will know how they are reacting to it.
Yes, sir.
Like what is I am expecting 50-50. I can't say you deserve it,
Yes.
but
Yeah, yes.
from the angle
But
of
how?
recruitment, why to promote
Sir,
a person with scale 1 to 3, and that too one who has not had the confidence enough to go to scale 2
yes, sir.
for various reasons that may be valid.
Yes,
This is how
yes,
it is
sir.
to be looked into. I wish you success.
Thank you, sir.
Please attend the interview and send
Okay.
the questions they are asking you through your
Okay.
post in our WhatsApp. I can make
Okay.
use for next year. Otherwise, you're really, honestly speaking, you deserve to be given, but
Yes.
but hmm,
But
that is the thing. But you really deserve to be given. So, but the question is the profile. Though you are very intelligent boy, you have not made it useful for the bank.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is the thing. That is my as a very senior person, my view. Maybe I am
Yes, sir.
wrong. This is what it is.
Okay,
Best wishes. I wish you
sir.
once again grand success. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.
I wish you success. I think tomorrow is the last date for interview. GBO. Or is there any
No,
other
sir. 11th, sir. On 11th.
11th? 10th and 11th. 11th is the last day. Yours is the last
Yes,
date.
sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Very nice. Best